Hi, this video is about how to change IP address in your Windows 11 system. Search for View Network. If you type View Network, the first option will be View Network Connection, which comes under Control Panel. Right click, go to Properties, click on TCP IPv4, then Properties. Click Use the following IP address. Give the IP address is 192.168.10.1. 255.255.255 will be subnet mask. Gateway is 192.168.0.1. DNS server is I am going to use it is 8.8.8.8 and then 8.8.4.4. After typing, click on OK, then click on Close. Right click on this option, Ethernet option, click on Status, click on Details. If you check here, the IP address is assigned successfully. Now we will check the speed test. Internet is working fine. My internet is 100 Mbps speed. Now it's working fine. So this is the way you can change your IP address from DHCP to static IP address. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.